The Enumclaw housing market presents unique opportunities and challenges for home sellers, with its diverse mix of property types from vintage homes to acre properties requiring a specialized approach to achieve optimal results. The local real estate landscape differs markedly from surrounding areas, making it essential to develop a targeted strategy for success. Understanding the local market dynamics is crucial, as Enumclaw's real estate patterns differ significantly from neighboring communities like Maple Valley and Black Diamond. While online valuation tools provide baseline estimates, they often struggle to accurately assess Enumclaw's varied property landscape. The mix of vintage homes, acreage properties, and new construction can significantly skew automated valuations, making professional market analysis through comparable sales essential for accurate pricing. Property preparation emerges as a critical factor in maximizing sale potential. Strategic improvements that consistently demonstrate strong returns include professional cleaning services and fresh paint application. Key focus areas for pre-listing preparation encompass enhanced curb appeal through pressure washing and landscaping, interior decluttering and organization, replacement of dated lighting fixtures, and professional staging to showcase spatial flow and natural light. Professional photography and staging services play vital roles in presenting properties at their best, particularly in highlighting unique features that distinguish Enumclaw homes. Setting the right initial price proves fundamental to attracting serious buyers and minimizing time on market. A comprehensive comparative market analysis, CMA, should account for Enumclaw's specific market conditions, seasonal trends, and current buyer demand patterns. This data-driven approach helps avoid the common pitfall of overpricing, which can significantly reduce showing activity and extend the selling timeline. The initial pricing strategy often determines the level of interest and ultimately affects the final sale price. Marketing strategy in today's digital age requires a multi-channel approach that combines traditional and innovative methods. Essential elements include high-resolution professional photography, engaging video tours, strategic social media presence, and comprehensive online listing distribution across major platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com. Local search engine optimization for Enumclaw homes for sale ensures maximum visibility to potential buyers. A coordinated marketing plan should leverage both digital platforms and community-based outreach to create maximum exposure. When evaluating offers, sellers must consider multiple factors beyond the proposed purchase price. Critical elements include contingency terms and conditions, proposed closing timeline, buyer's financing method and stability, and overall alignment with seller's objectives. Each offer requires careful analysis of these components to select the most advantageous terms while maintaining reasonable certainty of closing. The closing process demands attention to detail and proactive management throughout several key phases. These include coordinating with appraisers and inspectors, addressing repair requests efficiently, maintaining open communication channels, managing escrow and title requirements, and organizing final document signing. Successful closings often depend on quick response times and professional coordination between all parties involved. Throughout the transaction, sellers benefit from understanding that each property in Enumclaw presents unique characteristics that influence its market position. The combination of vintage homes, larger land parcels, and newer construction creates a complex pricing environment that requires careful analysis and strategic positioning. Local market knowledge becomes particularly valuable when determining how specific property features affect potential value. The local real estate landscape continues evolving with market conditions and buyer preferences shifting regularly. Successful sales typically result from a balanced approach that combines thorough preparation, strategic pricing, comprehensive marketing, and professional guidance through the transaction process. Understanding seasonal market variations and current buyer trends helps sellers make informed decisions about timing and positioning their properties. For legal compliance, it's important to note that real estate commissions remain negotiable, and all transactions must adhere to fair housing laws, RESPA guidelines, and Washington state advertising regulations. Sellers should always consult appropriate tax and legal professionals for specific advice regarding their situation, as real estate transactions can have significant financial and legal implications.